Hello children, how are you? Now, smart tables. Which class? 5th class mathematics, smart tables chapter. In previous class 2, this part 1 will be completed. This all completed. Now, part 2. See children, this one also write your notebook to only, okay? I am giving information only, write your notebook too. So next one, part 2. See now, sunny weather, cloudy weather, sunny weather, cloudy weather. Do you know weather, sunny weather and cloudy weather? So observe children, observe weather. Full heat having means this like having means sunny. This cloudy having means cloudy. Rain falling means rainy. You know children this weathers. So children here Shankar was noting down the weather on each day of August 2012 in the calendar by drawing pictures of sunny, cloudy and rainy weather like this. See children, here Shankar was noting down. What he noting down? Weather reports only. In each day, August 2012 calendar, in each day by drawing pictures for sunny, cloudy and rainy weather like this only. So see children here, August 2012, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. In August day, August month, how many days are there? Say children, in August month, how many days are there? 30 or 31? Say 31. In August month, 31 days are there. See here, in August 2012 calendar, in Wednesday, sunny only. Full sunny. Thursday, cloudy. Friday, sunny. Saturday, see here, cloudy. Sunday, rainy. Monday, rainy. 7th day to Tuesday, sunny. Wednesday, rainy. Next day, cloudy. 10th date, rainy. 11th date, sunny. 12th date, cloudy. 12th date, cloud. Next 13th date, rainy. 13th and 14th date, 2 dates are rainy. Next 16th date, sunny. 17th date, cloudy. 18th date, 18th and 19th dates, rainy. Here 20 date, cloudy. 21 date and 22 date, 2 dates, Tuesday and Wednesday are rainy. 23 date, cloudy. 24 date, sunny. 25 also sunny. 26 cloudy. So observe children, they are giving till 31 date to weather reports. Okay, which like having weather, he keeping some figures. Sunny means this symbol, cloudy means this symbol, rainy means this symbol. Willie is keeping. Okay, you observe children this report. Understand? Observing children. Observe it first. So you understand? Now here having, see, solve it, okay? Page number, this one, 36 only. Understand? Page number 36. Sunny weather, cloudy weather. Sunny weather, cloudy weather. Here, see children, now study the calendar and put tally marks approximately. See here, weather conditions which like having given here. Sunny, cloudy, rainy. Here tally marks. Here number of days. And before saying only tally marks means how to draw tally marks, you know? Okay, let's now write. Find it and write it. Okay? Count with me. Okay? First of all, sunny days. Okay, let's now count. First day to sunny. So we'll write here one line for sunny day. Here now third day to sunny day. See here to here we'll check it first. 1, 2. This week, first week, 2 sunny days. So we'll write 2. Next second week, again 1, 2. Here also will be 2. 1, 2. So now 4. Next 1 day only. Third week 1 sunny day only. Third week, observe it. Here rainy day, here cloudy, here one only sunny, 16th date. Here cloudy and rainy. So 16th one is only sunny. So 5 means you cut slanting line. You write slanting line only. Understand? Remaining keep standing line. This one slanting line. You know children, standing line or slanting line. In previous class too you learn only in primary class. Pre-primary classes too you learn that. Okay, next now in third week will be completed. Now fourth week. Here not there sunny days here. 1, 2. Next write 1, 2. Next week 1 day only. So now write here. See children here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of days. How many days? 8 days. Here write 8. Weather condition tally marks 8 and number of days 8. Next one cloudy. So now cloudy will count it. In first week 1, 2. In first week 2 cloudy days are there. So here write 1. Standing line will be right here. Okay. Tally marks 2. Standing line straight. 1, 2. Okay. Next second week. Here 1. 9th date 1. 12th date 2. 2. 1, 2. Next third week. 1, 2. Again 2. So 4 will be completed. 5 to slanting line 6. Next how many completed? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next fourth week. 1, 2, 3. Fourth week 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So next now fifth week. Not there, cloudy days. So let's now count it here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 days. Here next rainy days. In first week to 1. So here write standing line 1. Next week to 1 2 3 3 only. 1 2 3. Next third week to 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Next fourth week 1 2. 1 2. 4 complete after 5 to cut it only. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So how many having? 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 4 14. So let's now count here. This tally marks and number of days will be correct or wrong once you check it. Okay. First of all, sunny days will check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Sunny days 8 days. Okay, that one is correct. Next one. Cloudy days. Cloudy days check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 cloudy days. Is it correct? Correct only. Next, rainy days. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So correct only. So this is the easy way only. Don't confuse. Okay. So now here asking some questions. Observe this. See, which of the conclusions are true based on the information in the above table? Which of the conclusions are true based on the information in the above table? Write true or false. 10 days of the month are sunny. 10 days of the month are sunny. Say children, is it true or false? Sunny days. How many days having sunny days? Only 8. So they are asking 10 days of the month are sunny. Here information given. What information given? 10 days of the month are sunny. False. True or false? False. F-A-L-S-E. False. F-A-L-S-E. False. Here giving spelling. So you see and write here. Next, B question. 9 days of the month are cloudy. 9 days of the month are cloudy. See, 9 days of the month are cloudy. See, 9 days only. True. True spelling. Say T-R-U-E. True. Next one. Most days of the month are sunny. Most days of this month are sunny? No, most days of the month are rainy. Most days of the month are rainy, not sunny. So this also true or false? This statement. Most days of the month are sunny. No, false. False. Next one. Most days of the month either cloudy or rainy. See, most days of the month are either cloudy or rainy. See, most days of month are either cloudy or rainy. Rainy only. So write this true or false. You are only guess it and write it. Okay. Next topic. Pulse polio immunization campaign. Pulse polio immunization campaign. See here. Pulse polio, you know pulse polio drops? Pulse polio drops are being given to children below the age of 5 years in Abbapur Revenue Village. 5 years Abbapur Revenue Village. So the village is a big one with 4 habitations. The village is very big. So there 4 habitations having. Since there are many children, the health worker decided that she would make this face. See, she make this face. Observe children. This face in her record for every 3 children too. She record this shape. She immunized. She has recorded the particulars in the following table. She has recorded the particulars in the following table. See here, habitation, number of children given polio drops, number of children. Here in this diagram is giving this one 3 children to 1. Okay, 3 children to 1. So here in the Abbapur village 4 habitations is there. Here first one Abbapur. Here this symbol means 3. This symbol means 3 children. This symbol equals to 3 children. So here giving 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 symbols. So 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Here how many number of children in Abbapur village? 9. Same. Banalapalli. Here Banalapalli how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In each children this symbol is 3. 5. 3 5s are how much? 3 table you know children? Say 3 5s are. 3 5s are 15. See. Sriramulapalli. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 having. So in this face to 3 children. So here 6 faces having. So 6 faces to how many children are there? 6 faces means. Say Samiksha. In 6 faces to how many children having? 6 into 3 6 are how many? 3 6 are say 18. Good. 18 children. Next Ramchandrunipalli. Ramchandrunipalli. Here two faces are there. So here in each face two, three children. Here two faces having. So 3 2s are 6. So don't write here this one. This is the rough work only. Okay. 3 2s are 6. So in one face means 3 children. Two faces means 6 children. Like that only. Understand? How many children have been pulse polio drops in the entire village? How many pulse polio drops in the entire village? Now this calculated. Do addition. Here do addition. Right? Proper way. And do addition. Okay. 15, 18, 6. Right? Proper way and do addition. See here. 9 plus 5. How much? 9 plus 5. 14. 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8. How much? 14 plus 8. Say Pranita, 14 plus 8. How much? 20. 22. 22 plus 6. 22 plus 6. 28. 8. 2 is carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 48. So, how many children have been given pulse polio drops in the entire village? Therefore, 48 children have been given pulse polio drops in the entire village. Children, this one notebook too also will be right. Okay children, this and sunny and weather, this pulse polio information also write in your notebook too also. Okay. Next now, observe this. Page number 38. How many students are there in the school? How many students are there in the school? See here, the class-wise strength of a Kasindevpet primary school is given. The class-wise strength of a Kasindevpet primary school is given below in the table. So here giving, see, this symbol equals to 5 students. One child, like child only. So this symbol equals to 5 students. Here class, number of students in each class and number of students only given. Now you observe here. In first class, how many students having? Observe children, this one, this symbol equals to 5 students. This symbol equals to, note this, okay? This symbol equals to 5 students. Here in first class, 2 symbols is there. So 5 2s are how much? 10 students. Next one. Here second class 2. 1 2 3 4 5. Second class 2 how many? 1 2 3 4 5. In second class 2 5 children are there. 5 symbols is there. So in each one 5. So 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Next here 4. 5 4s are third class to 4 only. 5 4s are 20. In fourth class too, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 5 sevens are 35. You remember all members multiplication tables? Learn it, okay? Next, fifth class, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 fours are 20. Let them now add. See, how many students are there in the school? So, how many students are there? They are added. Will come. 5 plus 5, 0. No, 5 plus 5, 0. 10. 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So, 110 students. Again we'll count. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 6. 11. So, 110. How many students are there in the school? 110 students. 110 students are there in the school. Are there in the school? Understand, children? Understand? So observe it and try this also. If the symbol was to represent 10 students, what would be strength of the school? You try this, okay? Try this, we'll try it, okay? Okay, children, in next class too, I am explaining next topic. So, what topic we'll learn, that practice do. Okay, children, write in your notebook this too. This also write your notebook too. Okay.